Hello friends, based on various requests on comments as well as personal messages, today I am going to make a video on phase 1 or screening. More than 70% of all candidates who go to SSB get screened out or are sent back after the first day. Today let us see why this happens and what we should do. Before doing that, let me tell you that we will be doing one more free session because most of the candidates could not attend this session, though we had a huge response who really attended. Keep watching this video where we would be announcing the dates and the procedure by which you can register for this free interview session. Coming back to phase 1. Phase 1 is basically conducted in two parts. The first part is known as OIR or Officers Intelligence Rating Test. In OIR, you have two papers. One is verbal, one is non-verbal. You can get lot of information online on how to prepare and work upon OIR. Candidates keep asking me that, sir, what is important in SSB? Let me tell you, every moment or second you spend at SSB is important. Whatever is said, whatever instructions are given, you must listen to that and follow it to the letter. Do not try and miss out anything. Similarly, OIR test is extremely important not only for SSB but during your marking as well. We will not discuss all that because that is not required for you. Your interest is you should perform well in each and every activity at SSB. Once OIR is done, then the candidates are taken for something known as PP and DT. PP and DT is Picture Perception and Description Test. Here you are shown a hazy picture and you have to write a story on that. Once you write that story, you have to narrate the story and discuss amongst the group to come to a consensus story. Format on how to write the story and how to perceive the picture, you can always attend the gap analysis workshop and AFO SOP privileged batch conducted by Colonel Ganesh Babu. But now today we are going to see the gist of phase 1 or screening test. When you are going to the SSB, you must always remember one thing which my mother keeps telling. You must go there to win or get recommended, not with the intention that the other person should lose or should not get recommended. In SSB, it is always possible that everybody who goes can get recommended, though it does not happen that way. But your intention should be that I should get recommended and along with me, the entire group that I am part of should get recommended. If you work towards that, then there is more chance that you will be accepted not only by the group but looked good to the assessors as well. You can always contact me on 7088993444. Message me for interview session with your name. We would be conducting this session on 2nd of September 2020. I will tell you how to register. Keep watching further. Now once the OIR is done, everybody who attends the OIR has to go for PP and DT. You are given or shown a picture on which you observe for some time and after that you are supposed to write the story. Again, we will not go into details. Most of the candidates make a big mistake here. Based upon their preparation, what they have done, using various different methods like going through videos, going for coaching, they start making one kind of story. They have been told that you have to make some social cause and that should be there in every story. Now for putting that social cause, you are trying to fit some story that you already have into any of the pictures. Few common social causes are your Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, stubble burning. You take it that mosquito problem, some social cause which is irrelevant to that particular candidate. There was one picture where one person was standing with a tie and one person was sitting with a table and a chair. Simple picture. Out of that, one candidate who had come made a story. He said that Suresh is a very, very sincere and hard-working boy. He fails in 12th standard. Then he puts lot of effort, gets good mark in 12th standard and goes to the city to study and becomes a doctor. Now, once he becomes a doctor, he realizes that he has to go back to his village and serve the people. So he comes back to village and he sees that there are lot of mosquitoes in the village. He goes to the sarpanch and tells the sarpanch that we have lot of mosquitoes, we have to solve the problem. Sarpanch says, yes, we must. Then he calls a meeting of the entire village. So all the villagers have come there and he tells them that we have to solve this mosquito problem. Everybody agrees that we have to solve this mosquito problem. Then this Suresh writes a letter to the district magistrate and tells the district magistrate that our village has lot of mosquito problem. District magistrate comes there with a person with a mosquito spray and he sprays the mosquito and that problem is solved. This is a story, okay, made by a candidate on this picture. Do you think it is really relevant or logical even? We cannot make such stories where that story has no relevance with the picture being shown, just to put in some social cause. Avoid that. Perceive a picture properly. See what is there and then write a story. Do not bother too much about the social cause or whatever is there in it. Make a good story. You must have some challenge where you are able to resolve that challenge based upon your capability. Do not create supermen or superhumans to do something which is practically not possible. You may not have written a leave application letter to your teacher and you want to write a letter to a district magistrate to solve a mosquito problem. Have a heart. Okay, once you write this story, forget about it. Do not forget the story that is already there in you. Forget about the writing thing because that paper is already done. Do not worry too much on that. Now when you are going for the discussion, in your time when you are supposed to speak confidently and narrate whatever story you have written. In case you had missed something while writing, you can always cover that during the narration. So when the other person is narrating his story, at that time, do not look here and there and start recollecting your story. No. Look at that person, smile at him, motivate him to do well. You must ensure that everybody in that group does well. Now when the last person has finished the story, the group discussion starts. Two things what good candidates do is, first, either they will keep quiet because there is some fish market going on, everybody is shouting and this candidate feels that I am superior to everybody. Why should I put my head in and get into that muck? Remember, if you do that, you are screened out. Have no doubt on that. Maybe 1% of candidates can or may get recommended because of just narration, good narration. But if you are not participating in the group discussion, there is more chance that you get screened out. Now, how you should perform there? You should be part of that group. You should be that group, not a person sitting outside and giving ideas to the group. Moment you start giving ideas, it means you are not part of the group. And a person who is not part of the group is not really liked very much either by the group nor by the assessors. So once you are part of the group, ensure that whatever story is being made in the group, it may be a very, very rubbish story. It happens. Okay. Now, how you can make that story better instead of fighting for your story? If you try to push your story in that group, it will never work. So, you must try and make whatever story is being made a good story. Narration, you get an opportunity or not, does not really matter. If you get an opportunity, well and good, you stand up and narrate the group story. If you do not get, okay, let somebody who is doing it well, let him narrate the story, him or her. Okay, your responsibility is to be part of that group. Screening test is not difficult. We have to just understand how we are performing there and be natural. Do not try to copy somebody's story and write something which is so rubbish that even later on when you read that story, you will not believe that you have written this junk. Keep watching our videos. Again, to register, you have to WhatsApp me on 7088993444, your name as well as your interest to join the interview session. We will be having the free interview session on 2nd of September. Do keep watching us. Click the link in the description for other videos. Keep watching all the videos. These are small videos that we have made which will be very beneficial. Join the privilege batch if possible, and also in case you need a personal one-to-one interview with me along with a deep learning session on interview technique, do message me on WhatsApp. I will be sending you the detail. Thank you. Jai Hind.